Morning, my wellness engagers. Hi, this is Candace Camille, the Wellologist. This is day 23 on the Plank Talk Challenge, Plank Talk 2016. I dare say it's snowmageddon outside. The blizzard of 2016. You're going to remember this, that's for sure. So, what are you thinking about in this snow? Are you thinking about working, eating, taking it easy? What is it going to be for you? Or you're thinking about doing something ridiculously crazy, like going to plank out in the snow? Crazy, right? I may just do it, but I think if I do the low plank, you wouldn't be able to see me at all. That's how much snow is outside. Oh my goodness. It's absolutely beautiful. But when you got to go out in it, it can be treacherous. So if you're out driving or anything in it other than playing, be extremely cautious and very careful. This Plank Talk Challenge, I am the creator of it. I did it just to get a movement started, literally, no pun intended, just to get people moving around the world. This little movement can get your core building. For these 23 days, I feel my core tightening, so it's absolutely amazing. Obliques, the sides is feeling good, just going into place the way that it's supposed to. So if you got your form right, making sure your shoulders are lined up with your elbows when you're in low plank, and when you're in full plank, making sure your shoulders are lined up with your wrists, and holding your booty cheeks in and squeezing your core so you can get the best out of it. You see me rocking because that just takes some of the pressure of you getting you standing up. So staying up, especially while you're talking. So today I'm just going to do a little side planks. I'm going to stay here. I said I would do 3 and 3. So 3 minutes of just here holding while I'm talking to you, just straight. And then start to switch it up to go to the side planks from side to side. You never know. I don't know what I'm going to do when I get down here. But I do know that I'm going to do something. And that's what this is all about, to do something. I want you to be mindful about the movement in your body. So this is a good way for you to move well. And I'm bouncing back and forth so I can see the clock. So I'm at my 3-minute mark, and I'm just going to turn around a little bit here. Woo! And I'm going to stay up here for as long as I can. Gently, I got my music on, so trying to stay up here till this song goes off. So my hand is hurting a little bit, so I don't have a lot to say this morning. Go figure. The Wellologist is speechless. What is the world coming to, right? I know. So just up. I need all of my energy to stay up right now. With this hand, but I try not to let anything bother me or get me down when things just go differently than what I expected them to. So I'm going to do the other side. Yes. Up. So this plank right here is more for me than anybody. I'll be glad when I have this surgery. I've probably been in pain for about a good month now. But I can't let it get me down because there's nothing I can do about it. I'm doing what I can, and that's pretty much resting the arm as I get here. A lot of times we push and we push and we push. And sometimes, like my son told me last night, You got to know when to stop and when to fold. So, with that being said, being mindful of my own thought process, I came in and I sat my butt down somewhere. That's what I did. So, with this, I am at the 5-minute mark. I am going to do my side planks a couple more times. And then I'm going to shut it down. And I'm going to work. That's what I'm going to do today. So I already fixed my brunch. I'm having crab cakes with some sauteed spinach. I'm going to get in front of my fireplace and I'm going to read about 8 or 9 bios or 6 or 7 bios that I have to read, go over for a conference that I am emceeing on Monday. So, all over the place. We will rock you. Woo! This one right here is just on video. It's for me, but I think I feel like Marty Wynn right now. I just want to roll over on the floor, right? But I'm just gonna rock it down here. Same thing that you do in high plank, you can do in low plank. Same thing, just making sure you keep your form, right? Side. Okay, I am just about done here. Woo! Okay, let me tell you, this was challenging to say the least, but I keep pushing and I gently push my past self past my point. So, right now, in this moment, I am done. Keep going. If you have to hit your reset button, hit your reset button. Start over, however you choose to do it. If you stopped, because there's no right or wrong rhyme or reason to this. You start from where you are. And if that means if you have to keep starting over, it don't even matter. You just have to get it done. So, if you started this thing and you stopped, push the reset button. Push the reset button. Refocus and make yourself a priority. Create yourself an awesome day. Be careful out here in the snow. This is Candace Camille, the wellologist, the creator of the Plank Talk Challenge, Plank Talk 2016. See you tomorrow. Woo! Now, that was challenging.